So man
acknowledge Ayokobo Juma one deputy minister Amprechum.
Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragana in same TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching. Ebusia for Omanhene yaw Edubuache our journalist and Okase now Ochrese Okujata Blackwa and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. SSM mo acknowledge a year the former president now Ado Akufo-Addo. Mo kai no ewo a year sa ye nananom slave trade a whole compensation at in Simamudi. Mo enkai N.Ado na mo boni di na mo fan respect emanu because ono and na ostate a year sa slave trade a compensation at yadi. Na ebusia for ebeka ya bra His Excellency the former president now Ado Akufo-Addo. Eye president no or the koto abrofu yenim say nku asom omode ye nananom ekọ me no just omubu ye kwasea nti ye hia compensation Africa even though sika no entimi ema ye refi di abrofu di ye fame na emom no ebema na sabio ye pains so atikakra ensem we beto odwa no John Dramani Mahama munya na tikoku apai adanya na N.Ado pastor say this police mhu ko a and then N.Ado efi we and semi asanso apeja His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akopem wo US cry the fly akwakoto ba bi omusie nkrofu na ade just sika bade obeje kuja tabla kwa ni tiri ho aye say that the sin a watchu ho na ensem we beto odwa no e no Omanhene ya Edubuache e kire say His Excellency Ado Akufo-Addo e na o start sa initiative nti no omfa ne abasobode e ma no nti ese na ese no esi akoy
but I got that Sadia way so unim sa akofa ntokwa aba meka sa akofa ntokwa aba akwakofa say chima menchine mentimi wase aba between MPP ni NDC MPP for no fee say this idea we ya ene emfaso aba so ene yakwa koji atum no eye omo pen so ene omo shase
for reparation
yes but I say enkomo na ekọ nyina ko ati say
fans na ye your mama
okuje to ba ye na
ase o maye bibie
omo yifa ba ene ne yenti ho asem grada ene bibi for na starting
social media so ba
agota just get
your foreign affairs minister Ayokobo pa
omakofa mampeni na N.Ado Danko Akufo-Addo mampeni da N.Ado Danko Akufo-Addo ni video bia na UN General Assembly meeting
o make
case for sa ade uheni ade
na nyo mo anom say government MPP edru maybe na say assembly ba na about your mom say government is continuing. That is why you have come to continue.
Yes.
Now when they will continue no do there otokujo toma fans kaka.
Yes, so man na Danko Akufo-Addo
acknowledge Ayokobo Juma one deputy minister
Amprechum
Juma mo ye na at this on the acknowledge o mo kaka on the on to kaka ekujeto we yen say she let's acknowledge madam ni ade kakra
and no there it was all Ghana video na
changing and it is time to bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore. Granted, the current generations are not the ones that engage in the slave trade, but that grand inhuman enterprise was state-sponsored and deliberate, and its benefits are clearly interwoven with the present-day economic architecture of the nations that designed and executed it. Reparations must be paid for the slave trade. No amount of money will ever make up for the horrors, but it would make the point that evil was perpetrated, that millions of productive Africans were snatched from the embrace of our continent and put to work in the Americas and the Caribbean without compensation for their labor. If there are any hesitation,
UN General Assembly meeting.
Oh, but Nana made a solid statement.
Yes.
Since he can send crying to me, says he can also ever make a statement.
Yes.
Because some of our will be no you soon no amount of compensation. So definitely They did something about it. And they started it.
Chima mentwe aba wo social media no support enye ize o
the only thing I say
enye ize o
okuja toyi man fans kakra
say
ebrebi MPP NDC for poku ase wo start here mo so mo ko manu ntum na N.Ado na si poku ase
but NDC so
ube lusunti unamo a ena we nya bi omo kai o ena omo we are delegate na we nyansani na we bisa so omo na omo ne ho anom delegate for Kennedy ba oka jam say vote for me as an independent candidate ana me bisam me say Kennedy e Japan ba obeka kire mo say mun vote to man as independent candidate ana da bi was mun vote to man as NPP ni ana meboa e no nam no say NPP say ya kronfo no nam no say NPP say na say election kra na ye wi amu no amu nya den no be ba beka so I'm quite siade no honorable this time it won't fly you me come mama adaka me nim baby say utie emfa and timba omia don't contact me you people sa de no mu bejai mutie timba omia tie for no mu bejai da ka kira mo se mu do the tie ones mu de do mo botai ye no Money senior Dennis no monkoye no enu here for the media no in down there but say airway we super ya baba kwasi ampafuo bi asabe ye ni baby da e ba betre ye de omonye wasia udi flagberry echi so 270 houses so say there so no unya baby na we bi aduma yet we is pulling agent man no uni aduma ye wasia sem na mugina ho amudi no emfa me ka kire mo ne now let's look at this 2023, we could have won that election easily. Let me tell you something. The NDC who is in power today, the NDC who is in power today, na Omanhene that's what we win in 2024. Make catch them play. I've talked. I mean, like we have friends in there. They never thought so we winning. John Mahama was actually shocked when Baumia called him. He was shocked. And untina the ana woma plan says woman win no be no even though say no woman win no they still carried it through nanka we win about Yeshi police station we win about ye loot but they looted the country Ghana. What did Kennedy do? You enter into a race that was already running. You were accepted. As a matter of fact, you became the second favorite after Dr. Bawumia. Any reasonable, sensible person, what does that tell you? I have a future. If I lay my cards and I play my cards well, I could be the leader of this party. And may God help me to become president of Japan. Nyansani biasa na nkobejene. Utuwe. Every suggestion I would come out Congress. That's why I said, sir, leadership we na one the woman no be amfani nini. Amonya papa. Say Justin Kodua will say one you woman ya papa. Meme so woman ya papa. Woman time and ne woman time of China. Justin Kodua has failed. Nana B has failed. Chairman has failed. All of them has failed, including the women organizer. When was the last time you heard MPP women organizers and as MPP women doing something? Senior lawyer ladies na dia mube unhua. When was the last time as a women's wing of the party muzama bibi? Yeah, Kasenya answer same way chemu kwa siafo mama adwene na ba form say we have a party to save first no kwa sia bi ebe dina say obebe si uni twasiri bi ama akwa akoye adwuma wo. Enu nti wadwene ni na ayira jimie. Enembre mu aye de technology na ene eye break and mortar ponkpo adwuma na wo pese wo ye. Muni mu nyansa. And we are not going to let it slide. Now, 2023. Me Felix Apia Samokaya. Me be breaking why in N.Ado epamu ni free in the office. Samokaya. And I me there and say, so ye bear man. Now me ade we kura me nti Peter enuanom tie. MPP fo ni na peme. Ghana fo ni na su frɛ me sɛ me mɛyɛ president. Na mama me ho kwan na MPP fo ha me na me da so team. Let it make sense. Seriously, let it make sense. MPP fo ni na peme. Ghana fo su second de Japan mɛyɛ president. Ena papa na oye okokroko ogbentigbe kabi. The man himself, the boss man, is afraid to leave the party to become his boss man. Because he ain't shit. Who you can Japan sika, he ain't shit. Because they say nekasa na mayon se nyansa o medekasa. Now na yati say the entire parliament na on kasa. Onimu nyansa. Ni sika na ama no benyam. Me catch them on ne. And I don't give a fuck. I've told you people already. And this show is not for the weak minds. Meant na hono be messay MPP because ono do so no edi ame wa bodam. Messi afa na yati ase de ntia Kennedy Japan call parliament na won kasa. Enye ni sika na ko wonye wo bia. Adentia. One, oye bayifo. Aden oye bayifo. Bayifo there be oye bayment oye bayibronsam. Aden no oye bayibronsam. Oye bayibronsam because Alexander Benya 10 million. Felix Benya 5 million. Kennedy Japan Benya 25 million. Still Kennedy Japan say yedi jano. Beyi. Oko spirit mu a asofo na mo we ni no. Beyi ni nso ade. Beyi de ade beyi ni bia na ni nso. Beyi, hu se beyi ya de tantan. Especially Ghana for beyi na ya de tantan. Na nke ye den Felix nya 5, Alex nya 10. Unya den, unya 25. Nkwa still usi yedi eja. Nti ede na yemfa ma wo. Yam se nanka Kennedy Japan pese na N.Ado de ma beki. Ena baomi also de Hajia Samira kan ho na nkomu rotate shift. Na odi omo so no hu so okay say de ono ne the man wedi obi a. Sankwasi assembly like how? How do we sit and supervise this stupidity happening to our party? Edi na moyo. Mimi too. I'm a very principled person. Semen supporto, amen supporto. That is who I am. I hope the money many alarm name hopes in KCC here. I think I've said it here several times. Men supporto, amen supporto. Men supporto, so amen supporto. That is the type of person I am. What Kennedy Japan seeks to do is to destroy this party and make it less attractive. That is all. And today be a cocancro footy boom. There be a Kennedy Japan will be a for Kennedy Japan BB. Party a you me Kennedy Japan there be a and no be a me say and no be a kobu way and no be a koye say and no be a koye na way. Just say every you cannot be Samia Uku. Samia Uku. Even Anabi and the other boys. Ebra no mo shawa no munya baby answer den si ye no. What is that Kennedy Japan? Ebe attack your mother. You go there and praise them. The moment Kennedy Japan saw say some of the young boys in the party after make his carpet, that was the problem. MPP mu dia na se wonya Kennedy Japan untumi make his car. Ena moto na mo hwe. Ena kakra bi na enya akukuduro edi face ne nkwasi asem ode ba no matum ani asi omoso. Na Justin Kobi Afrempo me ka kire wo ne. Yam pamo abronye ne